Welcome to Blockchain Vein, the future of technology. Please like and subscribe. Imagine a classroom of the future. Is it filled with students hunched over books? Or does it buzz with the hum of technology, with knowledge being shared and absorbed in ways we never thought possible? As we delve into the world of artificial intelligence and blockchain, we begin to see a new realm of possibilities for education. In the beginning, artificial intelligence was a concept that was more at home in the pages of science fiction than in our daily lives. In the mid-20th century, AI was a distant dream, a vision of a future where machines could think, learn, and adapt. But as the years passed, this vision became a reality. The evolution of AI has been rapid and relentless. From simple algorithms to complex neural networks, artificial intelligence has grown into a force that is reshaping our world. And nowhere is this more apparent than in the field of education. Imagine a learning environment where each student receives personalized instruction, where lessons are tailored to individual learning styles and pace. This is the promise of AI in education. Through adaptive learning systems, AI has the potential to revolutionize how we teach and learn. Now that we've painted a picture of what the future could hold, let's bring ourselves back to the present and examine how AI is currently being used in education. Across the globe, numerous classrooms are already embracing the power of AI. Intelligent tutoring systems, for instance, are being used to provide one-on-one tutoring to students, offering personalized feedback and guidance. AI-powered platforms are able to adapt in real time to a student's needs, providing customized lessons and resources. But the implementation of AI in education is not without its challenges. Concerns about data privacy, the need for significant investment in infrastructure, and the fear of technology replacing human teachers are all valid issues that need to be addressed. However, the potential benefits of AI in education, personalized learning, increased efficiency, and improved accessibility are too significant to ignore. As we can see, AI is already making a difference in education, but there's still a long way to go. The promise of AI in education is vast, but so are the challenges we need to overcome to make this promise a reality. To fully harness the power of AI, we must continue to innovate, experiment, and learn. As we move forward, we must also ensure that the use of AI in education is ethical, inclusive, and beneficial to all students. The journey may be long, but the destination is worth the effort. But the story doesn't end there. Enter blockchain, a technology that promises to make our digital world more transparent, secure, and decentralized. Born out of the financial sector with the advent of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, blockchain has since found its way into various sectors, including education. Blockchain offers a new way to record, verify, and share information. In education, it could transform how we manage student records, making it easier to verify qualifications and share educational achievements. It could also provide a secure platform for digital learning resources, ensuring that educational content is accessible, relevant, and trustworthy. The convergence of AI and blockchain in education is a powerful one. These technologies have the potential to democratize education, making high-quality learning accessible to all, regardless of location or economic status. They could also make education more personalized and efficient, helping students to learn more effectively and teachers to teach more efficiently. Now that we've talked about the potential of blockchain technology in education, let's take a closer look at how it's being implemented in the educational sector. Today, several institutions are beginning to explore the use of blockchain to manage student records. For instance, the Massachusetts Institute of Technology has started issuing digital diplomas that are stored on a blockchain, making it easy for employers to verify a graduate's qualifications. In addition to record management, blockchain is also being used to create decentralized learning platforms. These platforms allow students and educators to share resources securely, ensuring the authenticity and relevance of learning materials. However, implementing blockchain in education is not without its challenges. It requires significant investment in infrastructure and training, and raises questions about data privacy and security. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of blockchain, transparency, security, and decentralization make it a promising tool for transforming education. Blockchain, like AI, is beginning to change the way we approach education, but it's still early days. As we continue to explore and experiment with these technologies, we're likely to see new and exciting applications that could revolutionize how we learn. In summary, we've explored the emergence and evolution of AI and blockchain and their transformative impact on education. We've seen how AI can make learning more personalized and efficient, and how blockchain can make educational records more secure and shareable. As we look to the future, we can anticipate a world where these technologies are integral to our education system, creating new opportunities for learning and growth. As we stand on the brink of this exciting new era, one thing is clear. The future of education is not just about what we learn, but how we learn. And in this digital age, AI and blockchain could hold the key to unlocking our full learning potential. As we gaze into the future of education with AI and blockchain, it's important to also acknowledge the challenges that lie ahead. While these technologies hold great promise, they are not without their share of hurdles. Firstly, there are ethical considerations to grapple with. For example, how do we ensure that AI doesn't inadvertently perpetuate biases in the learning process? How do we safeguard students' privacy when their educational records are stored on a blockchain? Secondly, there are technical and logistical challenges. Implementing AI and blockchain at scale in our education system is no small feat. It will require significant investment in infrastructure, not to mention the need for educators to be trained in these new technologies. In conclusion, overcoming these challenges will be key to fully realizing the potential of AI and blockchain in education. The journey ahead may be complex, but the potential rewards are immense. The future of education is a brave new world, and we're just getting started. As we wrap up our exploration of AI and blockchain in education, let's take a moment to reflect on the road ahead. The digital renaissance in education is just beginning. The potential of AI and blockchain to revolutionize education is immense, and we are only starting to scratch the surface. These technologies, while presenting their own unique challenges, hold the promise of creating a more personalized, inclusive, and effective learning environment for students around the globe. It's an exciting time to be a part of this transformation. However, the success of these technologies in education hinges on continued research and development. It's crucial that we continue to innovate, experiment, and learn from our successes and failures. As we do, we'll get closer and closer to realizing the full potential of AI and blockchain in education. With continued innovation and dedication, we can overcome the challenges that lie ahead. The future of education looks bright, and we're excited to see what's next. Together, we can shape a future where every student has access to the best education possible, powered by technology. So let's embrace this brave new world of education, and let's get excited for the journey ahead. After all, the future is ours to shape.